This is the Oukitel WP12, a rugged phone for $100, and for that we get 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, 4000 mAh battery, 5.5-inch IPS LCD display, 720p, the MediaTek 6761, which is a pretty good chip. Doesn't say which Android version it is, but yeah, let's open this up. Alright, so this does look pretty good. I like the red accents. Not that thick. So this might be a huge turn on for people who want a rugged phone that's not too thick. Pre-installed screen protector. Very rough to touch right now. Never mind, it's Android 11. It says right here. In the box is our SIM ejector tool. We get one of the really long ones. I like those. Pamphlet. Micro USB instead of USB Type-C. But this is only $100, so I guess I could forgive that. And our charging brick. So the display doesn't look too bad at all. Top and bottom bezel. A nice classical design. So I'm going to set this up and get back to you. Alright, the phone is all set up. We do not have a fingerprint sensor, but we're going to look in the settings. Okay, so it kind of stutters there. Okay, we do have face unlock. Alright. And yeah, let's just test the face unlock then. Now close up. Alright, so it's pretty decent, at least in this environment. I don't know like how it's gonna be at night. At night it's probably gonna suck, but like I don't know, like when you just pull out of your pocket or different angles, you know. But right now it works fine. Oh god, the lag is insane. Okay. After disabling ads, it runs much better. Alright, so far no lag, no stutter. Okay, never mind, just stuttered now. Overall, for $100, runs decently. Okay, there you go. Step. Let's make sure these are the lowest graphics. Yes, they are. So yeah, at first it's gonna stutter. Okay, so honestly it's not too bad. I mean, it is stuttering throughout the game, but for $100, I mean, you can forget that. The game is still playable. Oh god, it's lagging so much. Come on. Look at that stutter, man. Oh my god. Okay, so when the video you're watching isn't stuttering like crazy, then I guess the speaker is pretty good, and you even have a headphone jack if you want. That's if you're even able to stick something in here to begin with. You're gonna need one of the really long headphone jacks without the thing, you know, I don't know what it's called. The one that goes straight in. But yeah, overall speaker is pretty decent, but the actual video viewing experience itself, you know. The video is lagging constantly, so it's not that good. Oh, maybe it's because nope, my app's finished downloading. I don't know then. Alright, let's try one more time. There are currently no apps downloading. Let's go. Alright, so I guess it was only like while it was downloading apps, I don't know. What else do we have here? Okay, we have tool bag. So these are all the apps we got on any other rugged phone. Picture hanging, like that. Warning, what is warning? Okay. SOS flashlight. Okay, nice. What is screen? I guess that could be useful, but everything else is just the same. Sound meter. Whoa! I guess my voice is hot. That wasn't even. Alright, our camera app, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. So let's take a look at our settings. The rear camera, 13 megapixels. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Rear camera comes preset up at 720p. We can bump that up to full HD. Front camera, same thing. We can go from 720p to full HD. We can do that. Okay. All right. First selfie. Let's go outside. Rear video on the Oukitel WP12. So yes, let's try and focus over here. Front facing video on the Oukitel WP12. Just walking here, stabilization doesn't seem that good. So that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? And I'm gonna say if you can find it for $100, then yeah, absolutely, I think it's worth it. I mean, yeah, the performance isn't the best, but I mean, for the price, it's perfectly decent. The speaker's decent, camera's decent, performance is kind of decent, display's decent. So I think you like getting your money's worth. Given this phone doesn't have any major flaws that reveal themselves only months of after use, but I don't think that's the case. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.